Yasa so ahia bi mo Attention TV so once me be kan ntokwa bi asi wo ye papa Akwasi Aboagye ne ye nua be ma Shatta Wale ntem na Shatta Wale edidi atem na odidi ye no na no odin edidi atem na I say jano ehyew na afa utrim na ye papa Akwasi Aboagye asamba biem o say Chese, wo waye na sika wo kan yesi enye no kra me maba betia wo no. Papa Akwasi Aboagye say anka Shatta ma no ho kwan. Na won tia no no nkire ne say sika na o ka so wo gye na enye no kra. Wanti ase wo betwa adapa. Enye Shatta Wale se wo twa adapa ma bia so me anka sa me boss. Despite kokoroko na anka sa so se ono kra ne ma me ba bi say na tie ni. Any sika na akodi ye no eneme fra UK tax collectors for no more exam o me exam na sa 80,000 pounds now waje na che say Ghana UK aban ewo mu 16,000 pounds Shatta me Akwasi Aboagye say oh through this challenge yama Shatta Wale say we tue say sika na onfa betudwa na obi ehu onfa se sika ne betudwa na Shatta se wu this ankwasi asemu ya sa no kan no Shatta tell I love you but afotokam you see o se wu this an ne media na wo so omonso first na we enkomasem na uka enkomasem na o makama na to no papa Akwasi Aboagye de on kana no nto wo obema UK tax collectors aban ankasa aharazo ankasa semhu sa sika na wo so akogye no uti bi wanfa na hu bi wanti se se ade papa Akwasi Aboagye se Shatta emfa receipt ana se bibi a che se wo se aban a wo UK agi sika nim 16,000 pounds Akwasi Aboagye se Shatta emfa sa nsem ya matudwade ene ho beden papa because group na Shatta or did the atabe uram the group in the mood papa so yen ko tie papa Akwasi Aboagye mrasisia
they can't chire UK government. So let me speak this one, let me say this one in English so that those are the UK High Commission will hear me loud and clear. Tell your tax people the UK government has a tax policy that says that if you are a foreign entertainer, if you come to UK, any income you make, they have a threshold. So 80,000 pounds is above that threshold of, I think, personal income allowance, which means that once you earn that amount of money, there's a 20% withholding tax on it that you have to pay. Now, the person that engaged Shatta Wale has to pay that 20% tax to the UK government. That means that if Shatta Wale earned 80,000 pounds, they have to deduct 20% of that amount and pay to UK government. We also have that policy here in Ghana that entertainers, withholding tax, they also earn income. When you earn income, but Ghana hanum say, Ayana atutu say. So when you even come and say, yes, I charged $100,000, the GRA people should come at you. That $100,000, how much of it was paid? Because that's income. So if you earn 80,000 pounds, the person that employed Shatta Wale to work in the UK has to pay 20% of it to the UK government. Have you paid that 20%? And same you are okoka wa pasema ma ho na o kana yese bebi a onam na etro nya botre na so ntiase a o kan asem na asem no enye no kora. And I've had calls since me this asem the tuja. People have people that have called me and say look, kwesi asem a kan no sa na tie enye no kora. They can't pay. We don't have that money to pay him. It's as simple as that. Se also teach na unim ne eka na se also unsua na se sa na be kono na also be di atema eno ye wasem, and I stand by it. It is not true. If you are paid 80,000, the UK government, they will demand my track akomom say also we 80,000 pounds on beji on tax home. But speak to the issue asem na dey ato no 80,000 pounds kona ko to 16,000 pounds of it to the UK government. Go and pay that tax to them. Or have you paid it already? Maybe you can show it. Just show it. You've paid the 80,000. You paid the tax of it. Fachre na Akwasi Aboagye meniwu. Wait to 16,000 pounds. Pay to the UK government. UK high commission so say bontia mo amoye adwumaga mo kan kire mo Shatta Wale si waje 80,000 pounds mo nkoje mo 16,000 pounds ne se anya no kura menso ha atemdidie die obetimi dia tem ukọ social media so na oka na odi mi bosses atem sa trick no sisi ayehu apa ho ye be kasa because radio no untimi nkan ya no ntum because ukodi mi boss atem a enye no na opa di father Dixon atem di doctor say Kwame Despite atem of firɛs upon doctor di natem me sure say by now mo hu collateral damage e kan ho bi sa trick no monti ase say yehu sisi ayehu mu munyina ayehu mu that's the only thing ukodi mi boss atem na enye no na be ma yenka ne yesese ye kan na because just mu pese mu di ehun di she nipa man there be entu di opa bi wi obesen fa ko social media be say di mi boss di matem udi mi boss atem enye no na ma yenka ne yesese ye kan se mu bi ho no mu a mo mfere ade mu ade nso na esi penyin na obi nya bi da na enne na mu di mpenifo atem ubeni aba abeto mu kra de mpe omu ni matem o mbe bu mu ankasa like wo mu ti ho na akola na bo because umu ade umfere ade so fi se ukodi mi boss atem a ena wo se de yenyi medi na wo ka se yenyi medi a den ti na me ko school no ti na me da so akọ school ni bi nka ho no ko me ye business a minim se na esi me business me ntimi nton ade me ntimi nton tomatoes me chese me ton amon to fiti me bofra brem na ma minim se okay me be there or a cratch me. So if you insult my bosses, continue. That's the only thing you do. That is your stock in trade. That is your hallmark. But attack the issues. Say if they don't sack him, why don't Kasabe sack me? Come and sack me. Me cry and check me call retirement. Unimwa me catch and check. If they don't sack you, sack you. So be the me boss attempt then they so then be oh mama kana e be come asem. Sa trick ni sisi ayehu o. Munya ya omutiom baby na chese ma mudiom. Da unim Donald Trump ni CNN for the aye no. Ni CNN ni ene dia no se omu kodidi na tem. Eni sa Gyimii na motiom mu ka se mu kwana munim se de si di atem o Ghana hanum se. Sade o maya de bia mo yesa na ese okay o de krachi ni AKwasi Aboagye mfata o ni sa ni ama no Gyimii sa kwa nka se nkwana mo Gyimii o Ghana hanum se obi Gyimii biu bi nyina Gyimii ni biu
me da se o je bre etwen me AKwasi Aboagye nso na se ase ono so na se o ye niemo o ti ayi force no na chese ono so ke kan se mpa we out there be Shatta so de beba yes Shatta on na ngo san so na so waje atum se wo so se si ahun she dango won o se Shatta say ye meyi wadi nti ono ankasa mra Shatta obetimi aba ni ma boys no ho papa eso so obeja na bibia atoti musonfo akwantua na bde nsem bedum na crowd